Good morning student. Today we are going to learn our second lesson, the living world. Then first of all, you will tell me two types of the living thing. Two types of living thing. Which one the two types of living things are there? Yes, very good. Plants and animal. Plants and animal. Then why we are saying this is the living thing? Okay? Why we are saying? Yes, means what is mean by the living thing? Give me the answer. Correct. Means living thing can move one place to another place by their own, and non-living thing can't move one place to another place by their own. मीन्स लिविंग थिंग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह खुद जा सकते हैं, लेकिन नॉन लिविंग थिंग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह खुद नहीं जा सकते. जब हम उनको उठा कर रखते हैं, देन ओनली दे चेंज देयर place, otherwise they can't move one place to another place. Correct. Means it is the one of the characteristic of the living thing. See, in our surrounding we see the different kinds of plants and animal are there. In our surrounding the different kinds of plants and animal are there. In that one we see the similarities and the differences. Means some plants as well as some animal, they look like the same, but some are there they look like a different. Means some are there they are having the same characteristic, some are there they are having the different characteristic. Okay, see, there are many kind of plants and animals around us. They show some similarities and some differences. Yet with the help of certain features, we can tell that they are all living things. Okay, means they are having something. That's why we are saying they are the living things. These features are not seen in non-living things. Such a features are said to the characteristic of living thing. Then which one the different characteristics are there in living thing? See, the first one is growth, then respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli and movement, then reproduction, a definite lifespan, and a cellular structure. This is the different characteristics in a living thing. Due to that one theme is this one characteristic, we identify this is the living things, which growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli and movement, then reproduction, a definite lifespan, and a cellular structure. But in that one also, this is the characteristics are there, but in that one also the similarities and differences are there. Okay, then first we see about growth. See here, food is a necessary for growth. Which one the food is there? This one the necessary for growth. Without food our growth is not happen. Then which one the two type of living thing is there? Plants and animal. In that plants make their own food, and all animals they depend on plants for food. Okay, then which one means these one plants are there, they make their own food. How these one plants make their own food? With the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, okay, and as well as the chlorophyll pigment. With the help of this thing, plant make their own food, and this reaction is said to be the photosynthesis. Understood? Means which one the plants are there, they make their food during a daytime, during a daytime. Why plant make their food only during a daytime? Why plants cannot make the food at a night time? Yes, see here, we see which one the plants are there. They need a sunlight. Means in absence of sunlight, plant can't make their food. If sunlight is present, then only the plant make their food. Otherwise, plant cannot make the food. Then during the day only we are getting sunlight. Correct? Means plant also getting the sunlight. That's why during the daytime plants make their own food. As well as they are using a carbon dioxide. Means during daytime plants take carbon dioxide inside and given out oxygen. Okay, then see the water and nutrients. As well as plants use water and nutrients for making the food, and that process is said to be the photosynthesis. See, this process take place in the leaves of plant. Which one the photosynthesis is there? This one happen in a leaves of plant. Then why this one happen in a leaves of plants, you know? Because if we see the leaves of plant, this one green in color. Why these leaves are green in color? Due to the chlorophyll pigment. As well as stomata are present on leaves. Now this one question arise in your mind. What is mean by stomata? Correct na? Then see student, means our breathing organ. This one nose. We are breathing with the help of our nose. Likewise, which one the plants are there? They are also respire. Means they are also taking oxygen or carbon dioxide and means given out carbon dioxide or oxygen. Correct. Then how this one happen? Plants can't having the nose. Correct. Then with the help of stomata, plant take carbon dioxide inside and given out oxygen. This process happen in a daytime, and at a night plant take oxygen inside and given out carbon dioxide, because during the night time plant can't make their food. Understood? Means this process take place in the leaves of plants, because stomata also present on plants, as well as chlorophyll pigment also present in leaves. Chlorophyll pigment is also very important during the process of photosynthesis. All of you understood what is mean by the growth? Okay, then see here. Likewise, plant grow. This one grow towards the sunlight. These one plants are there. They are grow towards the sunlight. See, through all living things grow. Animals grow only for a certain period. Plants, on the other hand, grow as long as they live. The growth of living thing occurs from within the body, which means that the growth occurs in all part of the body. Understood? Now we see this one, the food is necessary for the growth. Then this is the photosynthesis. See, already I told to you. Means this one the roots are there. From that one the roots plant get the water and nutrients. Correct? And then sunlight. Then on that one the leaves. This one the, if you are seeing neatly, the small holes are there. Due to that one the small hole, the exchange of gases are happen. Understood? This is the reaction of photosynthesis. And we can't having the chlorophyll pigment. Correct? And we not produce our own food as well. We can't produce our own food. Then see, animals such as a goat, sheep, horse eat grass, while wild animals such as tigers and lions meet their need for food by hunting other animals which live on plants. Understood? Then see the respiration. The next one point is a respiration. See, likewise respiration is happen. See, three figures are there. Here the one is the plant. If you are saying this is the leaf of plant, leaf of a plant, and on that one leaf the small hole like structure is there, it is said to be the stomata. If we observe these leaves under the microscope, then we can see this one stomata, and with the help of stomata the exchange of gas, okay, exchange means to change, the exchange of gas is happen in a plant. Understood? Then which one the fish is there, the breathing organ of fish, this is the gills. With the help of gills fish breathe in a water, because this one fish is a aquatic animal, and in a water fish use gills for breathing. And we all are use nose, means this one the nose is our breathing organ. We are exchange a gas with the help of nose, with the help of nose. Then what is mean by the respiration? See, living things need oxygen in order to live. For that, inhaling oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide, inhaling oxygen and inhaling the carbon dioxide form in the body due to the use of oxygen is called respiration. Means simply we are saying inhaling the oxygen, inhale, in means inside, okay, means to take the oxygen inside, and exhale, exhale means to give one out, to give one out carbon dioxide outside, okay, to give one out the carbon dioxide, to inhale the oxygen and to exhale the carbon dioxide. That process is said to be the respiration. That process is said to be the respiration, and all living things are respire. Okay, means which one the plants are there? Plants, this one exchange the gas with the help of stomata. And where these one stomata are present? Yes, correct, on the leaves, on the leaves. Stomata means a very small hole like structure is there, and this one easily we can observe under the microscope. Okay, and as well as this one stomata also present on the stem. Okay, very small holes are there. Means this one the respiration, this is the characteristic of the living thing. The respiration, this characteristic of the living thing. All of you understood? Next part we will see in a next lecture. Okay, then your homework is there. You have to read this part carefully. You have to read this part carefully. Thank you.